Hi, I'm Chris from Bosch, and today I would like to show you a new product or a new range of products from Bosch Professional. So the first accessory I'd like to start off looking at is our SDS Clean range of hollow drill bits. Now, we've had hollow drill bits in the past, however, this is now a generation 2. The drawback with the generation 1 hollow drill bits were sometimes, unfortunately, they could get blocked up, and if they did get blocked up by early age or wet concrete, then unfortunately you'd have to discard that accessory. We went back to the drawing board with generation 2, allowing you to clean out the drill bits if they were to get blocked. For example, you can see the drill bits now come in 3 parts. You can remove the dust extraction adapter port, and then you can easily separate it into the 2 component parts, and then you can clean the hollow drill bit and go back to work. We've also improved the heads on the drill bits too. We've now got a full carbide head. This is exactly the same head that we have on our 7X drill bits. Full carbide head, 4 cutter, as well as a precision centering point. This means this drill bit will last a lot longer compared to previous models. How the hollow drill bit works is, as you can see, you have this outer cylinder here, which basically means when you are drilling in concrete, all the dust is removed from source into the cylinder and into the dust extraction port here. As easy as that. Now, why is this important? When you're drilling in concrete perhaps and you're wanting to do chemical anchoring, then it's very important that you clean the hole before you do the chemical anchoring. If you're using a hollow drill bit, that means you can do the application, you can do the drilling, and you're removing dust at the same time, which means the preparation phase is a lot shorter. In addition, you might not necessarily want to be doing things like chemical anchoring. If you're just wanting to make sure that you're removing dust at source on site, keeping yourself healthier, keeping the dust down and keeping everyone around you healthier too, as well as meaning you have a lot less cleanup phase at the end of the day, then a hollow drill bit might benefit you in the long run. For larger diameters, we also have a 20 to 32 millimeter range of SDS Max SDS Clean bits. So how much dust do these accessories remove? If I was to compare a standard 14mm SDS, this being the 7X bit, without dust extraction, you'll be looking at something like this much dust when drilling 100 millimeters into concrete. However, with something similar in the SDS Clean range, you'll see a 14mm by 100mm produces a lot less dust. In addition, when the actual drill bit and the cylinder is finally worn out, although that will take quite a long time because you are running a full carbide head, remember, when you do need to replace your accessory, the best thing about it is you only need to purchase these 2 parts and save yourself a little bit of money because you can still reuse the dust extraction adapter. You can just pop that onto the new cylinder and drill bit head. So there you go. You can see now with the SDS Clean range of SDS Plus and SDS Max hollow drill bits, you can really reduce the amount of silica dust you produce on site. Okay, the next accessory I want to show you is the SDS Clean for Chiseling set. Essentially, this is a simple accessory that allows you to remove silica dust when doing SDS Max chiseling. Again, when you're doing chiseling in concrete, you're releasing that harmful silica dust, which is both harmful to yourself and others that you're working with. This allows you to add dust extraction with a dust extraction hose that goes here to reduce the amount of silica dust when using any of our SDS Plus Artec chisels, or any chisel that has this shoulder here. It simply sits on the machine when you're working, and all the harmful silica dust is pulled in at this point here. If you run shorter chisels, you can easily change the length of the chiseling set to work appropriately. The best thing about this product is it's very simple, but can reduce the amount of silica dust produced by up to 25 times. As said earlier, this accessory is compatible with all Artec chisel, both pointed and flat chisels, up to a maximum length of 400 millimeters. Okay, this accessory we call the SDS Clean Adapter for drilling. I know it's catchy, isn't it? So what we've got is a really small dust extraction unit here, very light, very compact. Okay, and what it does is it actually simply sits on your drill bit. From 5 to 16 millimeter drill bits, it's completely compatible with. It attaches on the end of the drill bit. It is click and clean or friction fit. Attaches to your normal dust extraction hose, and while you're drilling, it continuously takes the silica dust from point of source, keeping you much safer. This is ideal when you're drilling in tight spots where you can't use other forms of dust extraction, or particularly if you're drilling overhead, it keeps a lot of that nasty dust, firstly, out of your eyes, but more importantly, out of your lungs.
This is a new range of dust control accessories from Bosch, and you can get yours at ffx.co.uk.